Hey there, homeowners! Looking to upgrade your floors with some new carpet? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the top carpet brands of 2024, focusing on durability, stain resistance, and value. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Mohawk Industries. Mohawk is a household name known for their SmartStrand and EverStrand carpets. What makes them special? SmartStrand carpets are made from renewable materials and offer top-notch stain resistance. If you've got pets or kids running around, SmartStrand is a fantastic choice. Next, let's talk about Shaw Floors. Shaw offers a wide range of styles, including their popular Anso Nylon and ClearTouch carpets. Anso Nylon is built tough and resists stains like a champ, while ClearTouch gives you that soft, luxurious feel we all love. Now, if you've got pets, you might want to check out StainMaster. Their Pet Protect and TrueSoft carpets are designed to tackle stains and odors head-on. Plus, they're incredibly soft and comfy underfoot. Karastan is another top contender. Known for their high-quality wool and SmartStrand carpets, Karastan offers a perfect blend of luxury and durability. Wool carpets are naturally resistant to stains and odors, making them a great choice for a pristine, cozy home. Don't overlook Beaulieu of America. With their Bliss and Healthy Home carpets, you get a wide range of styles that focus on softness and durability. Healthy Home carpets also help reduce allergens and improve indoor air quality. Let's break down some carpet fibers real quick. Nylon's super durable, stain-resistant, and easy to maintain, but can be a bit pricey. Perfect for high-traffic areas and homes with pets and kids. Polyester, PET, soft, stain-resistant, and more affordable, but not as durable as nylon. Best for low to moderate traffic areas and budget-conscious buyers. Wool, naturally stain and odor-resistant with a luxurious feel and eco-friendly. It's more expensive and sensitive to moisture, making it great for luxury settings and allergy-prone households. Polypropylene, olefin, stain and fade-resistant and budget-friendly but less resilient. Ideal for outdoor or indoor-outdoor areas and low-traffic indoor spaces. Here are a few extra tips. Always choose high-quality padding to boost comfort and the lifespan of your carpet. Look for carpets with comprehensive warranties covering stains, wear, and other issues. Professional installation ensures a better fit and longer lifespan. Regular vacuuming and professional cleaning can significantly extend your carpet's life. By considering these brands and types, you can find the perfect carpet that meets your specific needs and preferences. Make sure to check reviews, compare options, and consult with a flooring expert if you need to. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement tips. See you next time.